Orchids are a hugely popular houseplant, and for very good reasons. Their flowers are stunning and they grow really well in indoor climates. Many people assume that such a delicate and beautiful plant must be hard to care for. This is not true. Many orchids are really easy to care for. In this video is going to discuss my favorite type and one of the most popular varieties, the Phalaenopsis orchids or moth orchids. Phalaenopsis orchids are available everywhere you look. Most garden centers and many larger grocery stores will have a selection of these fantastic plants available to buy for really affordable prices. They are a wonderful alternative to a bunch of flowers to brighten up your home, as the flowers last for months at a time, and the plants can be kept for years, reflowering many times. But before I continue with my Phalaenopsis orchid care for beginners or easy guide, I want to welcome the new one on my channel. If you are new to my channel, an orchid lover, please comment below, please share, and don't forget to like, subscribe as well, and click my notification bell to be updated on my upcoming videos.
Do you want to know?
First, here is a summary of Phalaenopsis orchid care for beginners. Follow these basic tips and you are well on the way to providing good Phalaenopsis orchid care. Place your orchid in a bright room but not in indirect sunlight. Water the orchid infrequently, being guided by the plant rather than watering on a schedule. Many more orchids die from overwatering than underwatering. Only water the roots, keep the flowers and leaves dry. Use a well-draining pot and a growing media, and never let your orchid sit in the water for more than a few minutes. Keep the orchid after it has flowered. They are easy to care for the vegetative stage and will flower many times if treated well. Use a water-soluble fertilizer. Fertilize every 1 to 2 weeks, but not during the flowering phase. A good strategy is to use a weak fertilizer solution on a weekly basis, rather than using a stronger solution less often. Here I end my video on the proper care of Phalaenopsis orchids. Watch my next video on how we can summarize or detail the basic shares in the care of Phalaenopsis orchids. Thank you for watching.